What's going on, guys? Me here, Creeping the Zombie. Sorry for that little delay reaction. We played some Black Ops 2 on the map Drone. Yeah, it's definitely Drone because you got the weird sci-fi feel. Just seeing if I can get anybody. I'm using Peacemaker today. Warning, I'm not going to be good. What? Hacker? Look. Wow, didn't even aim. What? Ah, so bad, man. Okay, someone's hacking me. I have no lethal grenades. What's going on? High time, trouble. Just got a first headshot of the game. So I got me a good kill medal. Come on, I've had 2. Come on, come on. Let's get this UAV in 1 minute. Probably won't, but you know. You know. 150 score streaks. Guys, question. Which I just want to roll with you guys. Pretty much. What do you prefer? Kill streaks? Oh, wow. Kill streaks or thingy, what's it called? Kill streaks. I honestly, for kill streaks are easier. They didn't count for getting 5th. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. What? I didn't even get an assist on that. What are you doing, mate? Oh no! Nearly got my thingy. Going up. I had 3 kills. Talent again. Peacekeeper, such an underrated gun. That could have been shot by a Nathan. Anyway, I've been playing Black Ops 1 recently, guys. I don't know if you know. Assisted suicide. Sick, Damn, what's up with me today? I feel really poor. No, wait, man, you just always better than zombie. Multiplayer, sorry. Multiplayer. Sorry, man. I'm so bad. Yes, I got another assist. I swear it's score streaks. The other reason. Oh, what? I've been flashbanged, seriously. That's a bit harsh. It is for a flashbang over here. Oh, wait, I don't have any lethal appointment. Oh, we went in 41.50. Come on, guys, it's TDM. It's easy. I'm only using reflex eye. I love the reflex eye on Peacekeeper. But what reflex eye? Do I use the normal, traditional one? Or not? Guys, you gotta know. That's a question. I actually use, what's it called? What do you want to call it, guys? Shall we call it a square cracker? What the heck? Wow. Wow, sweat. Hardcore sniper. Okay, we've got oh no. Oh no. Someone grenade. Get final. Wow, I didn't see him there. Come on, guys. Sorry, guys. Come on. Hello, hello, hello. No, no, I still didn't get him. Still haven't got him. No. Yes! Thank you, I finally got him. I already had 2 kills when I just clearly had a kill. I'm confused. Getting my trigger finger going. Seeing if there's any sniper fighting. Ah, no way, what's that? Oh, I don't know. Some fights you're never gonna win. Others you'll definitely win. I'm on final! Oh no! Oh no! I bet you I'm on final. Oh, I just hit my controller, that's not why. Wait, yes I am. Well, he's using a Remington. I'm doing a peacekeeper. And he's just spraying like, oh my god. If you want to have a look, that is it. Assisted suicide, a headshot, a buzz kill, a threat runner, combat, Avenger, plus 100. Level 9 prestige one. Yeah.